switch this to the screen now. See what we got going here. See what kind of trades we could do. Gotta adjust this a little bit. Try to adjust this a tiny bit here. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Come on. Okay, looks like it's kind of doing okay, I guess. Looks like their stocks are kind of sort of halfway going up a tiny bit. Okay, I think this is good enough for now. Let's see, the market's about to open. Let's see what the NVTS is doing. And the VTS is down a tiny bit. SoFi call sell. SoFi was up quite a bit, started to go a tiny bit down. I think it's gonna keep on going up here in a little bit. Let's see, this one's up a tiny bit. Let's see what is it gonna do here. I gotta finish some trade deal here. Let's see. You've got 1 more minute till market open. See what it's going to do. Oh, now my queued orders are coming in, some of them from yesterday. See all these pop-ups? That's from yesterday doing the, oh wow. That's funny, a whole bunch of them are coming in. Wow. Look at that, a whole bunch of orders are coming in. It's from yesterday. Queued in orders are coming in, they're going through, they're getting filled, a whole bunch of them. Still in the profit, it's all good. Let's see what this one's doing. This one's up a tiny bit. Go sell, sell all. Buy $1 back. Buy $1 back of this. Okay, now I gotta see what the SoFi and everything else is doing type deal. Okay, so, oh wow, everything went up quite a bit. Look at that. Like, the numbers bounce, so I gotta see what kind of trades I gotta do to lock it in, at least some of it. Let's see what this is doing. This one's up a little bit. I might sell at a profit, 0.53. Let's see, this one is put, sell, buy back, trade. Let's see, trade, buy back for 0.53. One at 0.52. I'll do that one. See what it does. Okay, even number. Okay, I'll do 50. See what that does. Okay, that's done. Okay, orders there. Let's see, SoFi. See what lift is doing. Lift, call, sell. That one's down a tiny bit. Let's check SoFi. SoFi call, sell. That's the one that's the poor man's covered call. Okay, SoFi started to go back up a little bit. Let's see, SoFi call, sell. Let's see what the SoFi call, buy is doing. SoFi call, buy, those are up. Okay, so I might get rid of the SoFi call, sell type deal just to collect some profits. Let's see, SoFi call, sell. I'm gonna get rid of the SoFi call. Let's see which one. Okay, I got one SoFi call sell 37. Okay, I'll probably get rid of the SoFi call sell 37 to collect some profits at the other one. Let's see. Gotta check SoFi here. Let's see. SoFi call sell. Probably get rid of this one. Buy back for like 2.74. I'll just buy back for 2.00, 2.70. 1, 2.70. That way I could collect like some more profits from the call buy type deal, because it's like a poor man's covered call that I'm trying to close out at a profit. At least one of those. I got like quite a few of those, or some of those. Okay, one card. So if I execute it, so right now I could what do you call it, take profits on one of my SoFi call buys, probably this one. Call buy, probably take the profits on this one. Okay, sell for 9 point, maybe 60. No, sell for 9.69. Sell for 9.69. Medium likelihood. Let's try to do. Oh, they want rounded numbers. Okay, I'll do a rounded number. 0.70. Collect some profit on that one. Says low likelihood, but I guess we'll give it a try. Get order has been placed. We'll see if that fills. Maybe I should adjust the price to 9.65. I'll try to do that. Let's see. SoFi. Adjust 9.65. Try that one. Okay, next, let's see what I should do here. Okay, looks like to sell the SoFi thingy, that one was filled. Okay, that's good. So I should have made some profit on one of those, and one of them, because it's a poor man's covered call, like should have lost a tiny bit on one and made some profit on the other. Let's see what happened here. Okay. Yeah, so see, this is a poor man's covered call right here. To close out the whole position, I had to buy this one back at a slight loss, and sell this one at a profit. So the difference in between, so it's like $65 profit I made between that one. So if I click on 1 week profits, it's going up. 1 week take home profits, so it's going up, so that's good. Right now I gotta see the other profits I could take or do type deal. Okay, let's see. SoFi is going down. Maybe I could get rid of another call sell that I got. Let's see, maybe this one. Where's the SoFi call sell? Let's see, I gotta find it here. I think I had another SoFi call sell. I'll probably try to get rid of this one. This one's doing not too bad. I'll try to call sell. Try to buy back at 6.28. Yeah, buy one at 6.28. 6.28 before it's too late. Okay, I guess 6.25. I'll try that one. The order was placed. I don't know if that will fill. 0.25. If that fills, that'll be good, because then I could, you know, collect a tiny bit of premiums for that one, and then bounce back up with a profit. So like all this has to do is dip a tiny bit, collect profits, and then sell once it goes up type deal. That's the kind of strategy in this thing. Hopefully it'll play out like that, because it just recently hit that amount, hit that price. SoFi options quarter. Oh, nice. This one just executed. That's awesome. Okay, hell yeah, that executed. Right now, what I'm gonna do is gonna go to the SoFi call buy that I got. Let's see, where's the SoFi call buy? Let's see, where is that one? I thought I had one here. SoFi call buy. Oh, weird. Looks like I didn't have it. That's strange. Well, regardless, it doesn't matter because I, what do you call it, closed it at a profit. So let's see. Let's see what SoFi is doing here. So it's like at a profit. So I'm not sure how much more down is gonna go, but right now, like, it's like it's being indecisive. I think just in case I might add a tiny bit more. Like it's going up, starting to go back up. Just in case, buy. I'll add like 100 more shares of this one. Let's see, buying shares. Maybe 100 more shares. That costs $3,000. Maybe do that. Maybe I should do a limit order. Well, I'll just buy it like the way it is. 100 more shares. Okay, order complete. Got that one. Okay. Still doing good. Let's see, I got 300 shares of SoFi now. Maybe right now, just in case, I could do like a poor man's covered call and go like, let's see, trade options. Maybe go to like a farther out date just in case to collect more premium. Let's see, maybe do April 17 to 2026. Maybe do that one. Sell call. Let's see. I'm gonna sell a call for maybe, let's see, 35. I think that might be a good one. Sell call for 35. Collect some money on that one. Let's see, sell one for, let's see, 4 point, let's see, 70. Let's see, try that. Medium like 4.80, 4.90, 4 point, oops, 4.80. Low likelihood, but I'll probably try to do that one. Hopefully it fills. See what happens. Okay, order placed. We'll see what happens. Okay, once that tries to fill. Looks like it's still doing okay, kind of. Okay, right now I want to see what the other deals I got going here. That one I'm trying to get into. Let's see what Lyft is doing. This Lyft call sell is down a tiny bit. If Lyft call goes down a bit more, I could make some profit with that one. This one, I'm pretty sure it's kind of down, which it is. Let's see. Open call sell. That one's down a tiny bit. BBAI. That one's obviously down a tiny bit. Okay, this one's probably down quite a bit. Let's see, yeah. Let's see, Lyft call buy. That one's down a tiny bit. I think it might, let's see. Might see what I could possibly close out here. So, Technologies. Okay, that one started going in the negative a tiny bit. Let's see. NVTS. See what that one's doing shares wise. It's going down a tiny bit. Let's see, Lumen. Actually, right now, since SoFi is kind of wanting to go down a tiny bit, what I might do is I could get a cash secured put to get like 100 more shares of it. Trade options. Go to, right now would be a perfect time to do that. Go to like, let's see, December 5th. Maybe we'll do that. December 5th, and try to do something like a sell put. Go to a sell put and collect some money in that. Well, let's see, something that's not farther out. Do like November 21st, sell put. And let's see if it reaches like $28. Okay, $28 here is 117. $28 is 131. So right here, $28, 205. So I'll probably do November 28th. I'll do $28. Let's see, because it's going down, might collect quite a bit of premium. I'll probably do something like this. December 19th, go to this one, so I'll put for the 28th. Sell, maybe do one. Let's see, buying power, I still have some one. I'll try to get it for $28 and do this one 2.00. Medium likely hit 2.10. 2.00, 2.05. I'll just do 2.00, see what that happens, see if that fills. Just one contract for that, collect some premiums. Okay, order has been placed. I don't know if it'll fill. That'll be nice if it fills. Because right now it's bouncing around like in between the price range. If it fills, that'll be nice because I could collect more money on the SoFi stock on it going up or down or whatever it does type deal. So hopefully that fills on that. We'll see what happens. Okay, your order just a one contract SoFi put has executed. Okay, that's awesome. So that one filled. So that's good. Okay, let's see, what should I do next here. Let's see what Lumen's doing. Lumen's kind of up a little bit. I'm probably gonna get rid of all of this one for now. Clear up some capital. Buy back $1 just to kind of track and monitor it. Let's see, edit shares. I'm gonna do in dollars. Buy back $1 worth of that. Okay, that's good. Let's see what's next here. After Lumen, see what Lyft is doing. I don't have too much of that one. Probably wait on that one. Actually, I might add a tiny bit to that one. I don't have much. Probably add like $7 to that one. Add $7 to Lyft because it's going to be going up in the long run. It's a worth it one for me. Let's see, after Lyft, maybe get some more of the Grab thingy, see what that's doing. Maybe add like $3 to that one for now. Okay, that's good. That's done. Let's see, open. That one's down. I'm not going to add anything to that one for now. DEFT, that's down. Keep that one be as is. BMNR type deal. It's kind of down. We'll add a tiny bit to that one. Add like $7 to that one. Just in case, just for the heck of it. Okay, that's good. That's done. Let's see. Walmart, that one's keeping on going down. I'll probably wait. I might just add a tiny bit more to that one. Buy, add like $7 to it. Okay, that's good. After Walmart, let's see. Gold going down quite a bit more. I'll probably add a tiny bit, maybe add like $5 or $7 to that one for now. Okay, that's good. Let's see, next one after gold, the TSLL. Okay, I don't have much profit in that one, but I'm gonna sell all of this one right now because I recently made quite a bit of profit in that one. Sell all. Trade buy $1 back for now just to kind of track it, kind of see what it does. Okay, that's good. Let's see at the next one. Plug, that thing keeps on going down some more. I'll not add any to that. Uber, let's see what that's doing. Uber's up a tiny bit. I'm gonna sell all of this thingy. Sell all. Done. Trade buy. Probably get $1 back of that. Okay, that's done. That's good. Let's see, silver. Silver's trying to go back up a tiny bit. I might add a tiny bit to that one for now, just in case, just to be on the safe side. I think it'll be good. Okay, and then after silver, let's see, talk. Deal, I don't have too much of that one, but just in case, I'll add a tiny bit to this one here. Just a little bit, just in case type deal. I think it might be better than nothing, sort of halfway, a little bit. Gotta buy the talk to keep on talking, sort of halfway a little bit. See Delta Airlines, that one's, I don't have too much in that one. It's going down a tiny bit, so it's a good time to add a tiny bit more to that one. Maybe add like a $7 bill to that one. I think that might be good. That might be worth it. Okay, after this one, SOFX. Okay, SoFi is going down a little bit because earnings were good, but it's just then people are trying to fool the people. But anyways, I'm gonna try to get some more of this one. Maybe add a $7 bill to that one. Okay, that's good. I think eventually it's gonna start going back up. Actually, I think I might sell a cash secured put on this thingy. Might try to do that. Let's see. Go to like, this one doesn't have too much date options for some reason. Let's see, November 21st, which is the closest one we got, and that one could go for 530. So I could, right now it's going for 45.38. If I do a put for, let's see, if I do a put for 44, or better yet, like, to be on the safer side, do like something like 40. I won't collect too much, but then it's gonna keep quite a bit of collateral money. Let's see, because I'm kind of bullish on it, I might just go something. Going for 45. I could do something like 43 and do like a 400 on it. Maybe see what happens with that. Let's see, sell one. Let's see, try to do like a 4 point. Oops, not that. Let's go 4.00. Medium likelihood to get filled. Maybe do that one. Let's see, or maybe I'll just wait on this one. See what kind of SoFi does, because I already got into the cash secured put on the SoFi itself. So if it goes down quite a bit more, then I'll probably do this one. I think I'll wait for that to happen. Okay, AMD. Let's see what AMD is doing. AMD is kind of up a little bit. It's up in general, so I'm gonna sell all, clear up some of the capital that I got, make sure I got more buying power. Trade buy $1 back, just to kind of track it and monitor it, type deal. Okay, that's cleared away. See, next one, QUBT. What's that up to? That one's up for the day. It's down in general out of my holdings, so I might add just a tiny bit just to kind of dollar cost average in that one some more. I think that might be worth it. Hey, Michael. Hey, no, not much. Just trading before work. Yeah, I'm trading on Robinhood. Yep, I'm trading on Robinhood, Michael. Sure am. Just getting in and out of some option trade contracts right now, doing the shares, trying to sell whatever I can at a profit, clear up some capital and like buy other stuff. Yeah, this one I'm down quite a bit on. Let's see. Next one, Archer. See what Archer's doing. Okay, Archer's down a tiny bit. I might add a tiny bit to the Archer deal here. Oh, I've been trading for the most part since last year, like roughly about like February-ish of last year. So not too long, but I guess sort of kind of halfway long enough. But I've been profitable like from start, like consistently. So it's, I guess, a good thing sort of halfway. I mean, some positions I'm short term down, but I'm dollar cost averaging into them. But most of them are kind of what I do is I'm up in general, kind of. Let's see, Rocket Lab. I probably add a tiny bit to that one for now. Yeah, investing, I've been doing that like for a while, like some long term stuff that I was like holding like for like quite a bit of years. But then like trading, like I started that last year type deal. Like last year, like roughly in like February, something like that. But investing a little bit here and there, like putting money in and not doing anything with it, I've done that for like years. Like, let's see, Amazon. I don't have a Discord yet, but I might make one. Right now, I recently started doing the live sessions like I'm doing right now. I started that like maybe a couple weeks ago, and right now, like, cause I had a little break from work, so right now I went back to work and do construction. So I try to do whatever I can live trading before I drive out to work. So after I'm done with this, I'm gonna drive straight to work. My work is like an hour and a half away from where I'm at. But yeah, but I try to fit in the live streams because I try to log my trades that I do, and that's why I'm kind of doing what I'm doing type deal. But okay, the Amazon's the last one I did here. Question and stuff. I'm not really good on the investing part. Oh, I see. So hey, Michael, you're saying I have more questions and stuff. I'm not really good on the investing part. Oh, I see. I see. Yeah, eventually I'll try to do a Discord thingy. Let's see. So far, like SoFi did good today, but then bounced back down a tiny bit. I think it's gonna go back up, but like I think this is mainly from SoFi. I got a whole bunch of what do you call it? Options and shares of that. But in general, if you look at my portfolio, it's going up like consistently, from when I started trading. I think today is gonna bounce back up, but like the earnings for SoFi did pretty good, but like for some reason it started going down a tiny bit, which is a good opportunity. I bought a whole bunch more, and I'll probably keep on buying. Actually, on top of my purchases, I did a cash secured put to get a premium, get a discount by getting in like by getting in for a discount and getting paid to do that. Okay. You have more questions and stuff. I'm not really good at the investing. So okay, so I'm gonna subscribe and turn post notifications on, so I can be on top of every live. I'm bad at saving, investing, and I just wanna get more info and input. Oh, makes sense. That's awesome. I'm like happy to help whatever I can, however I can. Oh, nice, nice. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. Well, I'm here. Like, if I could be a help of a little bit, that's awesome. Okay, so yeah, like I've been kind of lucky. Like I started trading last year. Like I started with like I got a personal loan for like what do you call it, $25,000, and I was borrowing money from the brokerage or the leverage that had like on top of that. So I was like playing with borrowed money like crazy, but I ended up ahead. But it was pretty nice. But yeah, over here, like the profit and loss, like what I'm doing in 1 month, that take home profits is $1,145. That's take home profits that I sold at the market and kept type deal. So it's not too bad. Like over here, you can see SoFi, $75. I took profits on, So there's like some of them that like Tesla over there, $15. There's a whole bunch of them that I made. Like this one, $189 in the Tesla. So like just in 1 week, I made like take home profits that I sold and kept 1,145. If I do 1 month, in 1 month, take home profits that I did doing what I do is $3,771.97. That's just like what I put in the market, and the companies, they went up and I sold, took the profits out. So that's kind of that, and the market's still kind of trying to recover because I got a whole bunch of SoFi and I did another cash secured put, so it's kind of down a tiny bit, but I think it's gonna bounce back up. So I'm trying to see what else the trades I could do and clear out some more capital and re-put it somewhere else type deal, because I got so much here. I gotta readjust. Okay, this one's not up much. I'll check on everything that I got here type deal. Clear out all the capital, whatever I can. That's everything that's kind of in the profit. Like wow, like wow, I want to see results like that. So yeah, I'm definitely going to tune in. I'm getting ready for work myself, so I want to thank you for your time and info. Oh, I'm glad I'm able to help. You're welcome, Michael. Well, I'm here if you need help. I'm like I'll do what I could do from my end, type deal. Okay, that one's up a tiny bit. I'm gonna resell all of this, and I'll get in from start on that one, just to kind of track it. If it dips a little bit lower, I'll start collecting profits. Okay, that's the ASST. Let's see what Fly's doing. Wait on that one for now. Let's see UMAC. Wait on that one. PII. Probably wait on that one a little bit. Let's see ULTY. Yeah, I'll wait to do anything on that one. TTD. Okay, that one's up a tiny bit. I'll probably clear up some of my capital on that one. Sell all. And take some profits. Trade, buy $1 back for now, just in case. Okay, that's good. TTD, let's see GE. GE is not doing too bad right now. Probably trade, sell all. Trade, buy $1 back of this one right now. Okay, let's see GE, RGTI. So RGTI is up a little bit. I'm gonna sell all, clear up some capital. Sell all. That's done. That's good. Okay. After that's done, I'm gonna buy $1 back of this thingy. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the next one. Celestica. So this one's I'm in the profit quite a bit. I'm gonna take my profits, sell all. I'm gonna rebuy $1 back just to track it. Trade, buy $1 back just to kind of track it. And then once it dips down quite a bit, I'll keep on adding more to that one. But I think I got out on time. Like I made a little bit of profit, bounced out. I'm gonna bounce back in once it dips back down. Rinse and repeat type deal, Buy low, sell high type deal. Gotta keep on doing that. Skills, that one, I think I might add a tiny bit to that thingy right there. That'll be awesome. That'll be good right there. Hell yeah. Let's see, AVGO. Let's see what that's doing. I don't have too much in that one, but I'm gonna readjust this one. So I'm gonna sell all this one, buy $1 back just to kind of track it type deal. Monitor it. Buy $1 back for sure. Kind of like for sure type deal. Okay, yeah, I think I just did this one. I think I just did the AVGO, started that one from scratch. Okay, now let's see, NVIDIA. I don't have too much of that one, but you know what? Any profit is better than no profit. I'll sell all this, so get rid of that. Buy $1 back. I think I'm gonna wait for a dip on NVIDIA to get in quite a bit more, because eventually it's gonna go up quite a bit. It's gonna go up over $200. Uh, Not too long from here, but for now I'm just kind of waiting for that thing to go down. It's kind of high up, waiting for the Nvidia thing to go down a bit more to get in some more of that. Tesla thing is kind of flying. uh I'm just gonna let that one be as is. I'm just kind of seeing what the play does, not adding anything to it for right now. Let's see, Tesla, Elf. I just collected some profits on this thing yesterday, but I gotta add a tiny bit more. You gotta support the elves. You gotta make sure you pay the elves. They're Santa's helpers. They need help, so Santa will be happy, and you won't be on Santa's naughty list if you help the elves by tipping them and paying them for their work. So I think that's what I did. $1 for the elf. I think it's worth it. So next one, Alibaba. Let's see what that does. That thing's down a tiny bit. I might throw $1 bill at that thingy just in case. Just for the heck of it, sort of halfway. I think it might be worth it a little bit. Hell yeah. ENPH. See what that's up to. That's down a tiny bit. Right now it won't hurt to throw like a $3 bill at that thingy. I think it might be pretty decent. Might be pretty good. Hell yeah, for sure. Hell yeah, type deal. Let's see, MTR. Let's see what that one's doing. That one's up a tiny bit for today, but not up enough. I'll leave that be. Weeble, that's another brokerage that I have, and that one's kind of down a little bit. I'll probably add like a $3 bill to that $1 cost averaging. I think that's worth it. That's kind of decent. But I would do that for sure. Hell yeah, for sure type deal. Let's see, Costco. Probably definitely add some more to the Costco because it's a good company. People keep on shopping there, so add like a $7 bill to that one. Like hell yeah for Costco. That's awesome. Support the Costco thingy majingy, whatever it's called. Let's see, coin deal. Let's see what coin's doing. So coin's not doing too bad. It's up today a tiny bit. I might add a little bit to it just in case for now. Maybe add a $3 bill to it. Just in case, just for the heck of it. That's good. Okay, after the coin deal, let's see what Nike's up to. Nike's down a tiny bit. I might add like $3 to that one too. I think it's worth it. Just a little bit, just for the heck of it. Okay, ABT. Let's see what that's up to. So that one's still, like, it's up today a tiny bit, but I gotta wait for it to be up more. But I'll add a tiny bit more to this one, just in case for now. I think it's worth it. Okay, let's see next one. ABT is purchased. ABT Blue Owl. That one's down a tiny bit. For this one, I'll add a tiny bit. Maybe add $1 to this one, just in case for now. I think that'll be good. Let's see, after the Blue Owl, ARCT. On that one, I'll probably wait on that one for now. BITX, I got a little bit in that one. I might just wait on it for now. I won't do anything with that for now. Let's see, Hood. Hood is down a tiny bit. I might wait on that one to do anything with that one. APLD, let's see what that one's. That one's up a tiny bit, just for the heck of it. I'll sell. It's not much that I got, but I gotta sell it. And I gotta rebuy $1 just to track it from scratch type deal. Buy, and then once I see it down quite a bit more, then I'll start adding to that one. So do this. Okay, after that one, this is the Applied Digital. Let's see, MP, that one's probably down. Yeah, it's up for the day a tiny bit, but it's down from my holdings here that I got. So I'll wait on that one. Let's see, Oklo, see what that's doing. So that's down a tiny bit. I might add like a couple dollars to this one just in case for now. I think that's worth it for now. That's good. That's awesome. Okay, after the Oklo, let's see what BN is doing. BN is up a tiny bit. Brookfield thingy. I'll sell all this and I'll rebuy back. So I'll start tracking it from start. Trade buy, one more dollar back just to kind of monitor it and track it a tiny bit. Okay, that's good. Let's see after the BN thingy. Shopify, see what that's doing. That's up a tiny bit, so I'll clear up some of this capital. Sell all. Now I'll buy back a dollar, so I could track it from scratch. Trade buy $1. Okay, that's done. That's good. Let's see the next one. ATAI. Okay, that's a decent one. I'll probably add a tiny bit to that one. ATAI is kind of worth it. Kind of keep on making money on that one, like rinse and repeat type deal. It goes up and down like at a certain price range. Let's see, Hims is a decent one. They might start dollar cost averaging more into that one and then probably do a cash secured put on it or something like that. But for sure, a tiny bit into that one for now is worth it for me. Definitely a decent one to start dollar cost averaging into. Let's see, REKR. Okay, that one's down a tiny bit. I might add a tiny bit to this one, just to dollar cost average. Maybe add a $3 bill to that. So that's good. That's good. That's awesome. MNTS. That one I'll probably wait to add some more to. Apple's pretty decent. Probably add to the Apple thingy. Like get 3 apples a day will keep all the doctors away because I'm healthy enough for now. Don't need a doctor, so it's all good. It's all hella good. Let's see, Google. Maybe add a tiny bit to the Google deal here. Maybe add like $3 to the Google thingy. That won't hurt. That'll be kind of pretty good. Better than nothing. IREN, and that thingy is, APLD is up 5%. Cool. So this one's up a tiny bit. I'll probably sell all of this and I'll buy back. Get trade buy at $1. Buy at $1 to kind of track it and monitor type deal. I think that'll be good. Let's see, next one. Serve Robotics, see what that's up to. So that's up for the day here, but out of my holdings, it's kind of down. So I'll add a tiny bit to that one. Maybe add like a $3 bill to that one for now. The Serve Robotics deal. Okay, that's done. Let's see, go to the next one. See, Big Bear AI, that thing's kind of down a little bit. Like, I might add like $1 to that one for now, just in case, a tiny bit for now. I think that's kind of sort of worth it. Let's see, Amazon. Let's see what Amazon's doing. So I'll probably add a tiny bit to the Amazon. By part of the Amazon River. Yay, some good real estate in South America. Hell yeah. Some real estate in Brazil. Some Amazon. Yay, hell yeah. Okay, after Amazon, let's see, Rocket Lab. Let's see what Rocket Lab is doing. It's kind of down a tiny bit. I'll probably add some more to that one. Maybe add like a $3 bill to that thingy for now. I've got to support the rocket so I'll be able to fly to space, explore the red planet, explore planet Mars. That would be pretty cool. Let's see, NMG, that's kind of down a tiny bit. I'll probably wait to add to that one. Archer. Okay, so that one I'll probably add a tiny bit to that thing, not much. Probably add a little bit. Maybe add $1 for now. Okay, that's good. Let's see next. What's next here? USAR. I'll probably add to that thing later. I got quite a bit in that one for now. QUBT. That's down quite a bit. I might add a tiny bit more just in case. Not much. Maybe add like a $3 bill. And see what happens. See what it does type deal. See AMD. Let's see what AMD is doing. AMD is up a tiny bit. You know what I'll do? I'll probably sell Sell all. Now buy it back. Trade buy $1 more back. Okay, that's good. That's awesome. Let's see, SOFX. I'll wait on that thingy for now. Delta Airline. Okay, added some to that one. Maybe I'll add a tiny bit more to this thingy here. Add $3 to the Delta Airline. Not everybody's afraid of flights. People keep on flying a little bit. Let's see, Talkspace. I'll wait on that one for a little bit. Silver. Silver's trying to go back up a tiny bit. I'll probably add like a $7 bill to that one. I think it won't hurt. Some cyber bling, some silver. It's awesome. Hell yeah. Uber, I think I just sold this at a profit. I'll wait to get in this one when it's lower a little bit. So I'll wait on that one. Plug, I'll probably wait on that one. TSLL keeps on going up quite a bit. Wow, went up a lot. That's crazy. Damn. So I'll probably, I'll probably stay away from that one for now. Because I recently made a lot of profit on that one. So if it dips down a little bit more, I'll get some more of that one. But yeah. SPDR Gold. That's the gold deal I got. I'm dollar cost averaging into that one. So I'll add like $7 to the gold. Some more cyber bling. It's kind of worth it. Hella worth it type deal. Hell yeah. Walmart, I predicted this one to go down. It keeps on going down. I think it's gonna keep on going down. I'll add a little bit here and there as it's going down, but I wanna like buy a lot of it once it reaches like the $100 price. I'll get a whole bunch, and then once it reaches like 95 or 97, I'll get a lot more and buy that like at that price, like covered calls or just calls in general, and then ride that wave up to like 110 or 109 where it came down from. So that's kind of like the plan with this one. So kind of waiting for it to go down a bit more, and then we'll get a whole bunch of that. I see BMNR, that thing's down a tiny bit. I might add like, let's see, add like a $3 bill to that one for a long term. That should be a decent play, a good purchase, good buy type deal. DEFT, that one's kind of weird. I'll add more to that one later. Let's see what Open's doing. Open's trying to go back up a tiny bit, so I'll wait to do anything with that one for now. Grab, that one's down a tiny bit. I think I might add a tiny bit more to the grab. Gotta grab some more grab. That's for sure. That's the crazy hell for sure type deal. A little bit, sort of halfway. Let's see. I'll grab some grab. Let's see what Lyft is doing. Lyft is trying to go down a tiny bit. I don't have too much of that one. It's gonna go up in the near future, so I'll get like maybe, for right now, I'll just throw a lucky 7 at it, see what it does. A good lucky 7 won't hurt it type deal. Then after the Lyft, I'll check out, let's see, Lumen. See what Lumen Technology is doing. That thing's down a tiny bit, so I could add a tiny bit to it. Maybe add like a $3 bill in there for now. For now, it's good. That's worth it. It's all good. Okay, after the Lumen, let's see, NVTS. I don't have too much of that one, but it's down temporarily like this, so I'll add some more to that one. It's a good time to add a tiny bit. Okay, that's good. Let's see the next one. SoFi. Yeah, SoFi is the one I got a lot of. I made profits on it, and I bought some more and started going down. So I'm down right now a little bit on it, but I invested $8,828 in that thing. But I'll keep on dollar cost averaging and keep on buying it. Like right now, I'll probably add $7 more to it, just for the heck of it. Buy quite a bit more. As more as it goes down, the more I'll keep on adding some more into it, and then I'll be doing like covered calls and cash secured puts on this one, which I have a cash secured put on this one, so it's pretty nice. I'll just keep on adding to this one type deal. For the long term, it's gonna keep on going up. It had like decent earnings. Right now, it kind of went down after that because people are trying to scare people off, and try to have people sell at a loss type deal. Bought me some cyber bling with it being down. Nice, nice. That's awesome. That's awesome, Eric. Yeah, I'm doing the same thing. I'm adding some more to the cyber bling. I just added to the gold and silver, and I'll keep on doing that because eventually, once the market starts dipping, silver and gold is gonna go back up, and then that's when you could sell it at a profit type deal. It's like a machine. It's like a motor. It's like cylinder and pistons. Like once it going down, you gotta add it some gas. Then it go poof, shoots up. Type deal. And if you reverse and do all the same thing with all the stocks and everything, that's like a killer deal. That's awesome, Eric. Yep, I got like quite a bit of cyber bling too. But yeah, I got a whole bunch of SoFi right now. If you see, like I made profits, a lot of profits, like several hundred on it yesterday. But like I bought some more and started going down a little bit. But you can see I got 300 shares plus $8,843 worth of it. It's down a tiny bit right now, but I do have a cash secured put on it, and I keep on adding to it. Because I know eventually it's gonna go back up, and I could do more of the what do you call it, covered calls on it type deal. And I got a cash secured put on it, so I'm gonna like grind the hell out of that one. Make sure I collect like max, capacity that I'm able to out of that one. Squeeze everything out of that one. And let's see. The TSLL here thingy, I made a lot of money on this one recently, and like I bought $1 back how I tracked the stocks, and see it went up $1.02. So it's going up quite a bit. But I did make good profits. I sold all of it. Like I sold all the shares I had, and like then I rebought it and then sold it again, type deal. So I did make quite a bit like short term. And if it does go down a tiny bit more, I'll probably add a whole bunch more to this one. But yeah, it's pretty decent. Right now, I'm just kind of waiting for it to go down before I get back into that one. So, but yeah, this one I did very, very good on this one these last few days, or like the whole time that whatever I was doing on it, I did pretty good. But yeah, that's pretty nice right there. Let's see. So right now the portfolio for the day is down a tiny bit, just mostly because of the SoFi thingy, because it went down after the earnings, although the earnings were good, but it's still not bad because my take home stuff was pretty decent. Yeah, if you look at the take home stuff, like I collected a whole bunch of money, a whole bunch of profits yesterday, and I collected some today too. So for the week, my take home profit is $1,169. So that's not too bad. For 1 month, it's 3,796. That's take home profit. So I think that's not too bad for a small portfolio like I got of 42,000 or 40,000 or whatever. I think that's not too bad to be able to collect some take home profits out of that. But yeah, definitely some cyber bling. I'll probably keep on adding some cyber bling to mine. That's like a hella yeah type deal. Let me see. There it is, some more cyber bling. Hell yeah, it's down a little bit, but it's the best time to keep on dollar cost averaging into that. Some cyber bling while it's low. Hell yeah. And the same thing with some silver. Let's see where the silver is. Silver's trying to go up a tiny bit more, but I'll probably definitely add some more to that one. Hell yeah. Flipping cyber bling. Yeah, I'm doing a tiny bit of trades before work because I got to drive out to work here in a little bit, in a tiny bit. So let's see. NVTS put sell 13.5. It's at 13.39. So if I get filled on that one, that'll be pretty nice. Let's see when it expires. I also got BTGD and blocks. Oh, nice, nice. I'm gonna check that out here in a little bit. So I also got BTGD. BTGD. Oh, this is crypto futures product. I see. I got it. Okay. Wonder, I never traded the futures on Robinhood. I never made a single trade on that thing. Number of holdings, 9. Inception date, fund manager. Oh, this is options. Oh, it says crypto futures, but then when I go trade, it says options. Weird. Yeah, I never traded that one. But it's probably also worth it once you buy. So, title trust to STKD 100% Bitcoin and 100% gold ETF. Well, that's interesting. Bitcoin and gold. Wow. I'll probably get into a little bit of that just in case. I don't know what that's gonna do, but I guess it's worth it a shot to try some of it. Actually, instead of that, I'll probably get a whole share of it, buy in shares. Because it's kind of the same thing that gold and crypto is gonna go up in the future, so I think it's worth it. I'll probably track it with this. I just bought shares. I got it with gold and Bitcoin. Nice, nice. That's awesome, Eric. Well, I got into it right now. Like, thanks for sharing it with me. See how it goes. See how I think it should be pretty close to what gold and Bitcoin thingy is. Yeah, it's pretty cool. That's pretty decent. Hell yeah. And the other one, let's see, what's the other one that you had there? But yeah, it's pretty cool. And blocks. Let's see what the blocks is. That's Nicholas Crypto Income ETF. Oh, nice. What's that say about it? Block is an actively managed fund that consists of crypto companies, stocks, underlying funds that provide exposure to Bitcoin and Ether in an option overlay. The fund does not invest directly in cryptocurrencies. The listed name for Block is Nicholas Crypto Income. Just in case, I might add a tiny bit of that one too. I got it with gold and Bitcoin being down. Yeah, that's awesome. That's a good bet. That's a good play. I'll probably get like maybe $10 of this one. Let's see, buy in dollars if they'll let me. To kind of see what it's doing type deal. Hell yeah. Pretty cool. That's awesome. Let's see. Maybe I might add a tiny bit to the gold itself. Let's see if I could find it. To the gold, I'll add a tiny bit more. Maybe buy like $10 more of gold. Just a tiny bit more of gold. That'll be awesome. Hell yeah. And then like I'll probably add a tiny bit of silver. Maybe add $10 more of silver. Get my cyber bling, my fancy cyber bling. And then like the what do you call it, Bitcoin and the crypto stuff, it's like a cyber bling because it's like more like virtual or like non-physical type deal. So it's like kind of weird, but it's like gold is the cyber bling, then like crypto is the cyber bling type deal. I think that's kind of like how it is. Whatever works, I guess. Oh, let's see, Tesla, the TSLL. I don't feel like getting more into that one because I think it's gonna keep on going up. Verify your identity. What the hell? I don't want to verify my identity. Weird, some weird shit. Maybe somebody's trying to hack into my account or something. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so the portfolio is down a tiny bit. I think it's mostly because of the SoFi. Once that bounces back up, it should be pretty good. Like, let's see, SoFi put sell. I did a SoFi put sell, cash secured put right here. So like my break even on this one, let's see, would be SoFi break even price. So it'd have to go to $26 for me to break even on this option. But I would collect this premium of $226 by December 19th. So that's like, from what kind of like what I see, like some easy passive money I could collect while I'm doing some other trades. Mr. Carver's and oh, you at it again? LOL, your shorts are coming up in my feed, by the way. Oh, I know, cause my shorts like that's the stuff that like YouTube makes by itself. I don't make those. I just like whatever. I just let them be. I was like, if it thinks it wants to put one out there, I just let it put it out there. You know, like I just don't mess around with it. It's something that YouTube makes by itself. I don't even do anything. I just okay, just I allow it to send it out. But like, here's a short from your live feed. I was like, okay, whatever, send it out. Probably not the greatest, but it, like catches a random time in my trade and just posts it. Yep, yep, yep. It's probably gonna do that again, like the shorts that's it makes from these live streams because these live streams are kind of long. But I definitely want to keep on adding to the SoFi for the long term because that's gonna be like a decent play for the future. Definitely not in the flipping options, but for the shares itself, I'm gonna keep on buying and dollar cost averaging quite a bit more into that one for the long term, and then I'm gonna be selling like covered calls on that, collecting premiums, and then doing some more of the cash secured puts. Because long term is gonna be going up. It's like a easy money maker on this one just to do. You pretty much it's called the wheel strategy. You know, you do the cash secured puts, selling puts to get in, getting paid to get in the stock, and then covered calls is collecting premiums, collecting money just to get out of the stock. You know, for like a profit type deal. So that's kind of like what I'm doing with that thingy. Yeah, yeah. I you never knew about it. Like for example, like right now I'll show you. I got the what do you call it position in the SoFi. Right now it's in a perfect range to do that for this stock. See, SoFi put. I just did this one today. So what I do is this one expires December 19th. So date I got is today. So my break even price on this one is $26. So for example, if because my price target is $28, if it doesn't reach $28 even, I'll collect this premium regardless of what happens if it doesn't reach the price. That's my money I collect. It'll expire worthless, and I keep that money over there. You know, it's like free money. And then if it does reach that strike price, that's like a cash secured put. If it does reach that strike price or a little bit lower or whatever it does, if it reaches that, you have to buy. Robinhood will buy 100 shares for you for that price, but regardless, you're still getting that premium on top of that. You know, over there, the premium, you're still getting that. So you're still doing better than somebody that's just buying the shares of SoFi outright. You're getting paid to get in for a discount type deal. So if it does get executed and filled, usually what I do, I go back to the SoFi stock and then I go sell a call, for example, trade. Right now I could sell a call because I got a whole bunch of shares. Trade options, I could go sell a call, go to like, even do like similar date, like December 19th, or like I could do like a little bit farther. You could pick any date. The farther date, the more money you could collect, you know. So for example, December 5th. So after, for example, cash secured put gets executed, I get in the share, then I could go do the reverse. It's called the real wheel strategy. Now that I have the 100 shares, I could go and sell a call. For example, if SoFi, for example, do this one, uh, the prices are kind of weird and different, but actually got to go down a bit more. So for example, oh, because it's on the opposite sell call, because it was on a sell put. Okay. So in this case, to sell a call, you collect money on the way up. Like if it once it goes up, like right here, like if it doesn't reach, like for example, the $32 point, like you'll get, you know, the premium. You'll get like $136 just for potentially trying to sell your stocks at a profit, you know, type deal. So that's like what that one means. So I'm probably gonna do a whole bunch of this one with this stock. So for me, that's kind of worth it. Like pretty much collecting premium is on the way down and on the way up and whatever it does type deal, like non-stop collecting premiums, like pretty much free passive money, you know. So yeah, I'm kind of working on doing that. But yeah, for now, I think I'm kind of done for the day. I gotta go back to work. So I'll be back probably later with the live deal here. Okay, goodbye, guys. I'll be back later.